taking you today? It's a beautiful valley, Thallay Broq. I have already told you about Broq. A Broq is a place where local people take their animals and prepare the fields. It's higher than valleys. It's lush green and you see Shiok River on your side. We are gonna cross the river! Look! Amazing! There you see the valley. Thallay is located in Ghanche Baltistan. It is one of the most beautiful valleys. Oh, there are sheep. Let's meet them. Can I touch one of them? Let's go see. I'm holding the horn of the sheep. The way is so beautiful. You see mountains, snow-capped mountains, greenery, rivers, and wooden bridges. I am there. Here you start your way to Broq on foot. I like throwing stones. It's so green here. Here you see flowers and plants. They smell so good all the way. Do you like throwing stones in rivers? You come through many water streams and the water is cold. I'm just loving it. Oh, there are donkeys. These meadows have an excellent beauty. Check the mountains. Let's go farther. Let's have a seat here and enjoy the views. I am throwing stones in water. This is a big stone. There is another stream. Let's cross it. Oh, finally some cows. I'm gonna feed them. They're so lovely. This one doesn't want, so let's go to the next one. She's eating from my hand. I'm getting some more grass for them. I'm just loving it. Check the view, the mountains, the coast. I think this is a Gada house. Gada means donkey in Urdu. We are going further and further. We are going towards the mountains. There is a big range of mountains. These are Karakoram mountains. Can you see the mountains behind me? They look pyramids. So many mountains, one after one, so beautiful. It looks like a scenery. It doesn't look like it's real, but it is. From this place you can see down. Let's go back from this side. I don't remember how much I walked, but I think 2 hours. Now I'm walking back. Walking and walking, it's going down. Let's have a look on the peaks. It's so amazingly beautiful. Who are those people? They are students from Surmo school and they are on visit to Thallay Broq. They were dancing, singing and having fun. They also sung something for us. Do you want to hear it? Here you are. The school's responsible was so nice that he invited to have a biryani with the school's students. Let's go down and have the biryani. We are going down. It's slippery, but look at those students. They go down like it's a piece of cake. They are sliding. Actually, they are used to it. We are down and I want to drink some water from the stream. And another stream, and I'm drinking again. These little stone houses you find everywhere in Broq. So I'm going through those houses. Which way should I pick now? This one or this? And here is the biryani. The biryani was yummy and we are going back. Check the water stream. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time in the beautiful place I'm going to take you.